What's up, good people? Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is confidence, something I struggle with and something that I constantly have to build myself up on. So I'm going to give you 6 ways that I try to do, 6 things I try to do every day to build my self-confidence. Let's get right into it. Okay, the first thing that I say is I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Number 1, if you say that to yourself every day, that's a confidence booster right there. I mean, you say it and that's money in the bank, honey. You keep saying that to yourself and you can go out and tackle the day. Okay, so the first point I want to share with you is I start my day off with a prayer. Every morning I pray. Every afternoon I pray. Every evening I pray. I pray, honey. I pray because, you know, I don't feel right if I don't pray. I pray for my kids in the morning. I pray for me. I pray for my husband. I pray that the day goes well. I pray for my co-workers. I pray for my family. I mean, I just keep that constant conversation with God. Also, the second point, nobody's perfect. Nope, they're not. Embrace your imperfections. I started this channel 3 or 4 times. The first time I looked at the video, I was like, no, don't like my smile. Don't like the way my teeth look at the bottom. No, I don't like my voice. I sound country, or I sound, you know, annoying, whatever that made me stop and pause. I just picked myself apart. But nobody's perfect. There's people who struggle with all sorts of things. People have all sorts of insecurities that they try to work on constantly. There's nobody walking around here that got it all together. They just don't. Also, the third point is don't believe the hype. You know how when people say, ooh, I want to be like that person, or ooh, couples goals, or ooh, look at her outfit, or look at her clothes, look at what car she drive, or social media just make you think people got it all together, but they don't. They don't. Nobody's perfect. I don't want nobody else's life. I don't want nobody else's relationship. So nobody's perfect. Nobody's relationship goes for me. Really, it's not. Because I know everybody has something they struggle with and deal with and argue about. And I know a lot of people was like Beyonce and Jay-Z was couples goals until Jay-Z did what he did to Beyonce, and Sierra and what's his name? I don't even remember his name. Russell. Their couples goals. What prayer did she pray to get him? Honey, you don't know what they're dealing with. Nobody's couples goals to me. So embrace your imperfections, because nobody is perfect. Okay, speak life and positivity into yourself and others. Just always remember that when you first wake up in the morning, after you tell yourself you can do all things through Christ, after you pray, look in the mirror and say something positive about yourself. Speak life into yourself. Tell yourself it's going to be a good day. Tell yourself you look cute in your outfit. Tell yourself your hair is done up today. Like I'm giving y'all 80s vibes with my hair today. And when I did it in the mirror, I was like, you alright, you know, you cute and all. But anyway, speak positivity into yourself. The 5th point I want to make is, what I usually do is I ignore the haters. Make your circle smaller. And what I mean by that is, no, everybody's not on your team. Everybody's not rooting for you. Everybody don't want to see you win. Everybody don't want to see you smile or see you happy. Know that. When you go out into this world, there are people looking at you with a stomachache face, like Cat Williams say. They're looking at you like, you know, giving you the stank face. But ignore them, honey. Go ahead and do what you need to do. I don't care what people think about me. I know people talk about me, but I don't care. Because if I did, if I worried about what people say about me and what they think about me, I wouldn't accomplish anything. I wouldn't do anything. I wouldn't have started this channel. I would have, in the comments, people will be rude. People will say stuff about you. People will pick you apart. You can't read those things. Like I had to tell myself that, because my husband and myself, we have a channel, and I was reading the comments and I was getting angry. But I realized that you can't listen to what people say, because they're going to find something about you and they're going to, hate on you and try to make you feel bad about yourself. But ignore them. Make your circle small. Only be around the people and give energy to the people who you care about and care about you. And the last point, do things that make you feel good. Get your nails done. Get your hair done. Go for a walk. Go into your closet and pray. Start that project you always wanted to start. Start that YouTube channel. Start that podcast. You like to talk to people. You like to share things that you understand and Start that cooking channel. Start a book. Write a book. Whatever you want that makes you feel good, do it. Don't put it off. Don't sit and think about all the things that you can't accomplish or you can't do. Start to say, I'm going to do that this year. Now, this year has been a little challenge. 2020 has been kind of, whatever. But set a goal for yourself. Maybe next year you'll start all these things, or by the end of the year you got a goal to start these projects that you've been wanting to start. But make sure you do that. And the last point I want to make is keep God first. Like, that's it. Like, that's all I gotta say. There's no explaining that. Keep God first and watch him do wonders in your life, because he done it for me. I'm telling you, it's not a mystery to this. It's really things that you can do to build your self-confidence. It's not a mystery. I mean, it's things that we struggle with every day, you guys. I mean, things that I struggle with every day, but I have to continue to speak life into myself, because if I don't, then I will fail, and that's not an option for me. It's just not. So I thank you guys for watching this channel. I thank you guys for coming back and subscribing to my channel and commenting and liking it, because this is a confidence builder. Every time I get a new view, or every time I get a new subscriber, I promise you that's the confidence builder for me, because it knows that I'm reaching somebody. And I'm about to cry, because I'm so glad that I finally started this channel, because I put it off for so long for whatever reason. I just didn't believe in myself, but now I do. And I thank you guys for the subscribers I have so far. I just thank you for taking this chance with me and this journey with me, and please come back. And I thank you for watching. You guys have a great, awesome, wonderful day. Bye-bye.